Hi, welcome to tutorial number 16 for CSCI 130 here at the University of Wisconsin Parkside. Today we are going to create our file for the next posting. So in the instructions that we have here, you see it says this is the one that is to here it says, okay, in this topic you will implement a Visual Basic application in which the user provides a numerical grade and the application assigns a letter grade. Your application should use the numerical grades and code indicated on figure 7.10 on page 145. Okay, so this is figure 7.10. So we're gonna use this 90, 70, 70, 60. So the letter grades are A, B, C, D, and F. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a Visual Basic application, and we're gonna have a label. So let's put on a label with the instructions here, and then let's put on the label. Well, we need a label. We're gonna need a text box to get the grade. So let's look for a text box, and then we need a button, and we need another label. Okay, so now on the form, let's change that where it says form 1 and let's say that this is letter grade. Okay, so on the first label we're gonna say enter numerical grade. Okay, so we expect the user to enter numerical grade here, so maybe we move this something like this. Now here on bottom, let's say assign letter grade. Okay, so let's make this like this. Let's probably change the color of that button. Let's go where it says back color. So let's change that web custom like that. Okay, and then on the next label, let's go and change where it says auto size true. Let's change that to false, and then the border style, let's change that to fixed single. Okay, and then the text, let's take away the text, and then there. Okay, so now we're gonna double click on the button, and we're gonna read the numerical grade. So we're gonna say dim, we're gonna assign a variable. Let's call this numerical underscore grade as integer, and let's get that numerical underscore grade from the value given on text box 1 dot text. Okay, now what we basically gonna do is follow what we have on figure 7.10. we're gonna follow the same information that we got. Well, actually they call it a student grade and I'm calling that numerical grade, so that's a change on mine. Okay, so we're gonna say if numerical grade underscore grade greater or equal than 90, then we're gonna put a grade. Let's see, is that what they have? Yeah, so we're gonna display the grade in ours. We're gonna say, I think my label here is label 2, you see that. Then I'm gonna go and say label 2 dot text equals, and then let's put the text, and we're gonna say your grade is A. Okay, Now we're gonna say else if, and then we're gonna have another condition, numerical grade greater or equal than 80. Then so I'm gonna copy this and this is gonna be a B. Okay, so now I'm gonna copy this else if again, Control C, then I'm gonna paste it. If this is greater than 70, then your grade is C. And then one more time, if this is greater than 60, then your grade is D. Your grade is D, I'm sorry. Then let's check again on the figure, so it's greater than 60, and then finally otherwise that will be the else part. So else, I'm gonna copy this, so anything else here will be an F, so your grade is F. Okay, so this is it for the programming part. Let's check if everything works. So now let's press F5. So now let's give here a 90, well, 96. We do this, and then it says your grade is 8. If we got a 65, your grade is D. We got a 45, assigned letter, your grade is F. Okay, now something else that maybe we want to do here is on the form, in the text box, let's say that let's just clear the label to that text equals empty string there. So now we need to open a file. Okay, now we need to create a file where we're gonna post this. So let's see, I'm gonna reuse one of the files that we got from before. So you open a Word document. So again, there is a section that says multiple executions. So for these multiple executions, so we're gonna click now F5, sample executions, I'm sorry, sample executions. So here I'm gonna put the 87 assigned letter is a B, so I'm gonna select it, press the Alt and print the screen, and then I'm gonna take away this from my previous, and then I'm gonna paste it there. Have one sample. Now I'm gonna copy the code, so I'm gonna go over here. In your case, I would like that you paste several samples, maybe for a B, for a C, from a D, from an F. So now I'm gonna select all the code over here. I'm gonna copy and paste it over here. Remember, there is a section that says learning experiences. You do that there, you add that. So now I'm gonna save this file, so I'm gonna save it as, I'm gonna call this now multiple decision making. So we save it. Okay, now I'm going over here and I'm gonna post it. So where it says multiple decisions, so I click on that and compose. So subject posting 1, and I need to have an attachment, so we add a file, so we browse, I look for the file that says multiple decision making. I open the file, upload, and we post the code here too if I have it. I think it is. Okay, and we're ready to post it. So I just wanna post it. So I click on post it, and then we're done. And I need to be sure that the information that shows my name on there, and that's it. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you.